Welcome back. Today we will model another swim training program using the swiML language. This is the Jasi Masters program for February 11th, 2025, Tuesday evening. So I start again with our Tuesday evening template. This is the 11th, 25 meters. Right. Now, 400 warm-up. So we start with our instruction, segment name, warm-up, instruction length as a distance, 400 meters, stroke, so a standard stroke any, and we only have to add the intensity, which is of course easy. So far so good. 450 fins, kick, drill, swim 50s, 3 IM. Okay, fly, back, 3. Let's think this through. Kick, drill, swim. It's 3 150s. We could do it. But it's a continuous thing, so it's going to give us some trouble. So, kick, drill, swim. Probably don't have much choice. Probably have to spell it out. So, let's just start with it as a continue. Length as a distance. So these are all then 50s. Kick, drill, swim. Yeah, okay. So let's start with kicking, star kick, butterfly. So let's kick, drill name is any, drill, and then swim. Kick, drill, swim. That's butterfly. Now we have to repeat that for the other two strokes. So we start off with butterfly, then we go for, oh god, backstroke, and then freestyle. So let's give it our latest scenario. 450. There we go. Not pretty, but it gets the job done. So maybe this is already the first set. So after the 400, we should probably do the first set. These are then so we start with the 450s, then 450, 675s, 450s, 625s, and then the whole thing all over again. That's when we use the second set. Okay, now 675 free PNP with 15. Okay, well that's relatively easy. Instruction, repetition count 6, length as a distance 75, stroke, standard stroke, freestyle. Do we have an intensity? No, but we've got a rest. after stop PT 15 seconds. And we've got a bit of equipment, pads, and pool boy. Now, that was relatively easy. 450s free build 1 to 4. Okay, so that's also relatively instruction. Repetition count 4. We put the intensity in here because it is across. Intensity, zone easy, and we have a stop intensity, zone race pace. That's the build. And then instruction, length as a distance, 50, stroke, standard stroke, freestyle, and we have a rest since start of 60, so that's 1 minute. All right, 625's pool boy fast on 45. We can do that. Instructions, repetition count 6, length. We've got 25 meters. Does it say stroke? Doesn't say stroke. So, okay. So standard stroke, we go for any, hasn't specified. And we've got a rest, 45 seconds. And we've got an intensity, which is stable this time, as a race pace. So that's the first set. Let's have a look. 450, 675, 450s, 625s. Okay? The whole thing again then. So we repeat the whole thing, just differently. So where is our segment name? First set. Okay. Second set. So this time we have 450s, kick pool swim, 3 AM, but this time it is back breast free. So we start with backstroke, kicking. So here it's not a drill but a pool boy. So backstroke, and we have pool boy. Right. Kick, pool, swim. So then backstroke, swim. Okay. And then the same thing again with breaststroke, kick. Then we have a standard stroke, breaststroke. We have got the equipment pull boy, and then swim. All right, and then the same thing again with freestyle. Kicking, not drill, but freestyle, equipment pull boy. Okay, let's see if I got this right. Back, 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 breast, 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 free, free, free. That seems right. So 675, that's exactly the same as above, so we can leave that. 450 is free, build 1 till 4. 665, that's all the same. 675, there's also exactly the same, so we can, it's exactly the same. Nice. Right, so then we have, I would call it maybe a third set. A set, segment name, third set. So we start with easy. 100 stroke, center stroke, any. And we have an intensity. Easy. 425 fins and pads number 1 fast. Okay. So instructions, repetition count 4. Length, it's 25. Stroke number 1. Standard stroke number 1. Rest since start 45 seconds. Okay, intensity, zone, race pace, fins and pads. So equipment, fins, equipment, pads. And after that 100 easy again, which is probably the warm down. So instructions, segment, warm down, 100 easy. All right, let's see what that looks like. Okay, well, that's actually more than 3K. That's impressive. Did I do it all right? 450, 675, 450, yeah. Oh, we did well. So that's the program for February the 11th, 2025, Jasi Masters, Tuesday evening. All of the programs are available in our GitHub repository. I put the link in the description below.